Hi, now I'm going to be solving some problems to show how we can find the angle from trigonometric ratios. So first, we have this scenario where the angle is between 0 and 2 pi. So let's say we have this graph, and so 0 starts here, and 2 pi is 360 degrees, so the angle can be anywhere over here. So first let's solve A. So when we we need to isolate for theta. So first we need to square root both sides. So when we square root both sides, we get cot theta equals 3. But remember, when you square root both sides, you should put plus or minus. So don't forget that. Then now we need to isolate theta. So we need to take the arc cot. So this is arc cot of plus or minus root 3. So we know that cot is the inverse of tan. So this will be the arc cot of the inverse of this. So the inverse of that is plus or minus 1 over root 3. So now we put into the calculator. First you will enter cot negative 1 over root 3, and then we will enter cot of positive 1 over root 3. When we enter these two, let's see what we get. Oh, wait. Oh, tan, I meant, not cot. Tan. So put that into the calculator. So to get tan to the power negative 1, we should go second function tan negative 1 over for root, we go second function x squared 3, and we get negative 30 for this. And for the next part, we get positive 30. So that means it can be positive and negative. So that means it can be in any of these quadrants. So one of the angles can be this, which is 30 degrees, and this. So to get this, you need to go, the reference angle is 30 degrees. You need to get this angle, you would need to go 180 minus 30, 50 degrees, 150 degrees, and here and here. So to get this one, you would go 180 plus 30. This you would go 360 minus 30. This is 210 degrees, and this is 30 degrees. Now we found that the angles are 30 degrees, 50 degrees, 210 degrees, and 330 degrees. Now let's convert it to radians. So it would be 30 degrees times pi over 180 degrees to convert it to radians. Same thing for the others. Now when we do that, we get pi over 6 pi over 6 pi 7 over 6 pi and 11 over 6 pi. So for this question, these would be the answers. Now let's try another problem. So for this, similarly, you would cube both sides to get cosine theta is -2. And same thing to isolate for theta, we would go cosec arc cosec of -2. And we know that cosec is the inverse of sine. This would be sine arc sine of the inverse of -2, so -1/2. And when you put this in your calculator, you should get negative 30 degrees. So we need to see where sine is negative. So we use a cast rule. So sine is negative over here and here. So that means the angle can be here and here. Since the reference angle is 30 degrees, this would be 360 degrees minus 30 degrees, which is 330 degrees, and this one would be 180 degrees plus 30 degrees, which gives you 210 degrees. So the angles are 210 degrees and 330 degrees. Now when we convert these to radians, we need to multiply it by pi and divide it by 180 degrees, and we get 7 by 6 pi and 11 over 6 pi. This is the answer for this question. So that's it. These problems will give you an idea of how you can find the angle given just the ratios.